Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Darien to Sharon to near Poplar Grove, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Hale Lake, Howard Lake, Como, Allen's Grove, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service